Here. Today, we're going to show you how to set up AT&T voicemail. And we're not talking about visual voicemail, we're talking about setting up a traditional voicemail by calling your number or pressing the 1 key on your phone. Let's begin. We'll be using an iPhone, but all other phones are the same. You either press and hold the 1 key or enter your phone number on the phone app. Let's begin. Let's hold the 1 key.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Goodbye.
Just so you know that this process does not work when it's on Wi-Fi calling. You have to turn off Wi-Fi calling in order to set up the voicemail service. But if you have visual voicemail on iPhone, you can do it without. But let's do it without Wi-Fi calling this time, because since the voicemail is not set up. Hold the 1 key.
To hear your mailbox prompts in English, press 1. Para escuchar los mensajes guía de su buzón en español, marque el 2.
Just so you know, this process is the same as, or similar as Verizon.
Are you still there? English, press 1.
Press
Para
1.
escuchar los
Language selection.
You will hear your mailbox prompts in English. To confirm this change, press pound. To cancel, press star.
Press pound to confirm.
Pound.
Language changed. Welcome to your new mailbox. This brief tutorial will help you set up your mailbox. First, you should select a permanent password that only you will know. Please think of a permanent password now.
Now you enter.
Please enter the password you have chosen, then press pound.
You enter a voicemail password.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Let's choose 1, 2, 3, 4 for now.
8, pound.
For your password, you have entered 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can select the kind of greeting that will be played to callers before they leave you a message. To select a standard greeting with your telephone number, which will tell callers that you are unavailable, press 1. To select a standard greeting with your name, which will tell callers that you are unavailable, press 2. Personal greeting, press 3.
Now you choose a greeting. There's standard and there's personal. That's your standard.
1.
Thank you. A standard greeting with your telephone number will be used. Let me give you a few final reminders. Anytime you want to cancel your previous entry, just press star. If you ever need help
This
or
is the
more
tutorial.
explanation, press 0. I will then repeat the prompt or give you more instructions. Now you are ready to use the system. You now have the deleted message recovery feature in your mailbox. This feature allows you to review messages that you have previously erased during your mailbox session. To review messages you have erased while using your mailbox, go to the main menu and press 19. While listening to erased messages, you can use any of the available message review options. If you erase a message from the erased message queue, it is permanently removed from your mailbox. When you exit your mailbox, all erased messages are permanently removed. To repeat, press 1. To continue, press 2.
Continue with the tutorial.
2.
Press 2.
You have no messages. Send. Press 2. Check receipt. Press 3. Personal options. Press 4. Disconnect. Press star.
Star.
Goodbye.
Now your voicemail has been set up. So to summarize, step 1 is language. Step 2 is password. Step 3 is greeting. And the final step is to listen to the tutorial. Few things to note. AT&T only saves voicemail messages for up to 30 days once you press 9 to save it. And whenever you enter visual voicemail on your iPhone and you call your voicemail directly at exactly 30 seconds after you entered visual voicemail, it will tell you that someone has already entered your password in your voicemail. So you have to wait approximately 3 minutes. That's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. Thanks and have a nice day.